Welcome to Misty Harbor Resort, beautifully situated on the shores of Lake Winnipesaukee in Gilford, New Hampshire. This premier community offers a fantastic lakeside lifestyle featuring well-maintained grounds, barbecue areas, and a spectacular 335-foot private sandy beach. Enjoy direct water access right from the property, complete with docks and space for your watercraft. The three-story lakeside buildings are perfectly positioned to take in the incredible views of Saunders Bay and the distant mountains. Located in the heart of Gilford, this four-season destination keeps you close to marinas, skiing, and local entertainment. Experience the best of lake life at Misty Harbor Resort,